How to change oil in an overlock sewing machine. This is a Juki MO-6700. Other models may have different ways how to do the oil, change the oil, but this is the one I'm going to work on. Let's go. So first I'm going to loose this nut so this motor can be pushed up so I can take off the band that it's on this puller. So once that's done, I remove the band off this puller, and then now I'm gonna be able to move the machine. The next thing I need to do is to unscrew this screw right here. It's better to see it from this side because from the angle I show you guys, I wasn't able to show clearly. Now at this point, what I'm going to use this container so the oil will fall there. I removed the chain on the back of the machine to lift up the foot so I can put it back. That is because I want to place this container here and receive the oil. I end up removing the entire machine since I had taken the chain and everything else, so I took it off from the from where it was sitting, and I put it up here. And here's the screwdriver. So basically I'm just going to remove that out and place the container to receive the bad oil. Let's see how it goes. Now I'm gonna unscrew the screw all the way out here. See it, I see it. I'm gonna grab it so it doesn't fall in the oil. Let's see. So the problem with this sewing machine is that not sure if the previous owner added water to it or so on and added a lot of oil to it. So what happened last time, it got stuck, and this morning when I was going to use it, I felt it super stuck again, and I just know that I need to change that oil and put the right level of oil in it. So the screw has a little rubber and then the screw, right? So if you have to do this yourself, make sure you keep it, because if you don't have the rubber to seal the oil to leak, then it's a problem. So how did I know that the machine had a problem? It's because the oil smell was bad and I was throwing oil, and it's a new machine. So I'm removing the entire oil that it's inside. I have to tilt it this way a little bit to let every single drop of that bad oil inside, and then I'm gonna add new one. That's the bad oil that was in the machine. See, and this is where the oil is coming from. What I'm going to do, I'm just gonna tilt it a little bit more so it can drain totally. I mean everything, every single drop of oil. I don't want any of that oil to stay inside. And now there's no more oil, no more dripping at all. Everything is out. This was a good opportunity for me to clean up the machine a little bit, and then also the oil pan was so dirty. I just cleaned it up, and now I'm ready to put it back on. But before I put it back on, I want to put this screw back, and then I can seal it and add new oil. The problem I see also is that whoever added oil to this machine, they added a lot, and it's not supposed to have a lot of oil. It's supposed to be just at that level, not the first one, not the second. So I just put that screw back, and now I want to tighten it. See? Just do it tight. That's it. Just put it back where it was. You just need to put it back on. It has like 4 poles, rubber poles, so it will absorb any shaking or when you're sewing. So it's not like how you call that? Yeah, kind of trembling or shaking. So if you feel your sewing machine is shaking, it's because it's missing one of the rubbers underneath. So a lot of people, they would just add a piece of fabric or even wood underneath, and that's what happens. It doesn't absorb the movements of your sewing machine. So the only thing you need to do, get the model, go to the parts store, get the rubbers, or sometimes if they're old, you have to change them. Now I'm ready to add aceite de máquina de coser or sewing machine oil. This amount of oil should be enough for this machine. So I'm going to add oil through. Here we go. I'm going to connect the chain back so I can lift up the foot of the sewing machine. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's there. And that is on the back of the machine. So if you do this, the foot lifts up. I went ahead and put back the band on it, and now I'm gonna tighten this nut. I'll use a tool to make sure it's tight, but I'm just doing by hand right now. Good. I'm going to use this to tighten the nut. I joined the thread back because I had cut them because I was removed the head off. Let's see now. My oil bottle is gone. I will need to buy a new one. I have a quarter somewhere, but I couldn't find it right now. So now, machine even sounds so smooth, which is good. This morning when I tried to sew, it was stuck. Now the machine is good to sew my shorts. I have a short that I'm going to work on right now that I had to take some time to clean it up, some maintenance and so on. So I'm so happy that the machine sounds good and it's so smooth. So I'm not gonna have any problem from now. I'm still going to monitor the level of oil. Let's just sew. Oh, I supposed to screw this back and I didn't do it. My bad. Okay. That's the oil cap basically. See? You see how the oil comes up there? And that's healthy for a machine. And that's how you change oil in an overlock sewing machine. You know how to remove the head if you want to, or you want to keep it like that, it's okay. It's a little bit, how you call it, difficult to do it without removing the actual machine, because then you don't have much space where to tilt it and so on. But now you know. I hope these videos are adding value to your daily sewing projects, and hope to see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Follow me. Check out the rest of my videos before you take off. God bless you all and see you in the next video. Bye bye.